Hey, my YouTube friends. So today I wanted to talk about Substack and live streaming to Substack, right? So Substack has become quite popular, and it used to be like an only writing platform similar to Medium, but it has actually got a few new features now, especially live streaming and podcasting. So let's actually get started and let me demonstrate to you guys what are the ways we can live stream to Substack just using our webcam and using OBS, right? So let's actually get into it. Yeah, so the first thing you want to do is actually open up Google Chrome or Firefox and go to Substack. Just Google Substack and go to the first result that comes up. It's really easy to start live streaming to Substack. All you need to do is click on Create, and right over here, you can actually create a note, an article, a video, a podcast, live, coding studio. That's interesting. I haven't seen that. But what we're going to do, we're going to go to live, and we're presented with myself on the webcam. So this is the webcam mode, right? But what we're going to do right now using OBS, we want to go to right at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, or go to live with the stream key. Click on that. And you'll be presented with this page. Now on this page, we can actually change the title. So I'm just going to keep it live with MediaTek. I'm actually going to call it a test stream. That's the title. This video is for everyone. That's fine for now. The person that'll be going live, so it's MediaTek because it's my account. You can actually have multiple Substack accounts within one account. So you could have multiple people within one account, right? But obviously in my case, I've just got MediaTek, that's myself within my own account, and notify my subscribers via email when my live video starts. So you can actually click this, but since this is a test, I'm actually gonna leave it unchecked. But this is basically when you have subscribers to your Substack, they will get notified when your live video starts, and then they could actually join it as well, which is great. You can actually schedule these streams as well, but right now, for now, we're just going to keep this just as a start. But if you did want to schedule it, you can just go to schedule for a future date. You can turn that on, and then you can schedule it. And that's really handy for when you want to do the email delivery side of it, because your subscribers will actually receive the email when you've actually scheduled it. But right now, we're just going to keep that off, and I'm going to say generate stream key. And now it's basically given us the server URL where we want to live stream to, and it's given us the stream key as well, right? So this is what we want to put into OBS. So now what we want to do is copy the server URL, and now it's copied to our clipboard. Go to your OBS, and once you have your OBS open, go to settings. Click on settings, go to stream, enter that server URL we just copied, go back to Substack, and now we can copy the stream key. Go back to your OBS and paste the stream key in the stream key section and hit apply in OBS. Now that we've actually got our stream key, server URL and stream key into OBS, we can go ahead and start the stream. So I'm going to click on start streaming, and it's going to connect. And now we're actually streaming to Substack. Now, as you can see, I'm actually capturing the Substack window in OBS itself, so you can actually see both. But now that Substack is receiving our stream, it changes to test stream is now live. And now when the test stream is live, it actually gives you the link to the stream as well, which you can copy if you want to monitor it, of course. And you can go ahead and close the window. So now we're actually live on Substack. We can't see it over here, but we're live. And what you can do if you want to monitor it, just open up a new tab, paste the link that you copied, and now we're actually watching our stream that's on Substack, right? So it's really straightforward. You've got the live chat, and you've got your actual stream. Now, the cool thing is that once you're streaming live, you can just go to your website. So you can actually open this up in a new tab right here. And when you do that, you'll see your live stream in a post on Substack. which is awesome. And this is where people could actually find you as well. So they'll obviously receive the email, and you've got a latest post right over here. And that's where people can actually find you on Substack and watch your stream. Now, once you're actually done with your live stream, go back to OBS and you can go ahead and stop the stream. And now you can see my stream has stopped and there's nothing actually being displayed on Substack. Now, once you've actually stopped your stream, how do we actually delete it since this was a test? I can go back to my dashboard that I'm on right now, and you can actually go to live video, and here you'll see all your live streams. So the past live streams. So I did 2 tests before and I actually deleted those, but you can see that this was the actual test stream that we just did. And you can actually click on view draft. And once it actually brings up the draft, and you could actually make this a post, right? If you wanted to. So once you're here, you can actually go to settings, scroll down, and you can say delete post. And that will actually delete the live stream and the recording as well. So once you've done that, wait a little bit and then go to live video, click on past. And as you can see, the latest one that I recorded or live streamed has been deleted as well. So that's really the process on how to live stream to Substack from OBS, and also being able to delete it if you were doing a test, right? So that's really all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a like, subscribe. I'm really trying to get to the 500 subscriber mark, so I really need your help. I appreciate it. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.